When Spikeball released the bigger ball, the stronger frame, it was ready for more epic rallies, we decided it was time to upgrade to the Titan. The other one, standard, it can wobble a little bit, it could loosen, it could slow down gameplay with constant adjustments, and I really like that the Titan is engineered with a stronger fit. It's secure spring-loaded legs, pro-level net tension, it stays locked in place, faster rallies, and everything came you needed. You got a little bit of merch, step-by-step directions on how to set this up, a little bit different than the standard. Here's the new upgraded 12 by 20 backpack that comes with it. You can put all the components in that backpack. They fit fine for me. And then you begin to pull out the legs. There are 5 of these. These are 9 by 9. They're huge. They're 3 inches thick. This is quite an upgrade. They are spring-loaded and fold flat there. So, and all of the pieces slide into that. That's your release button. So this is the biggest change, I think. Here's your net. It is an upgraded competition-ready net. Tension is pretty strong on those. Quite durable. Very pleased with the net when I was playing around with that and setting that up. Have to get all these legs out of the way so that I can show you the new upgrades on the rim. Again, these are just super impressive, super durable, solid plastic. I think one of the most impressive upgrades in the Titan, in my opinion. Get these out of the way and we can get to the rim. Okay, here we go. So now we are to the rim pieces. They are triangular. They are a lot thicker, about, I'd say maybe 1 inch, 2 inches at the bottom. You can see just a massive upgrade, a lot taller. They are triangular and they slide in the ends into the frames I just showed you. That's what the pieces that slide together. So it's a nice tight fit. Very impressed with that. And then there's also balls. So the balls are an upgrade as well. You only get 2 with the Titan. You get the traditional Pro Ball. Here is, which one? Yeah, I think this is the Pro Ball. This is the 3.5 standard. It is inflatable. It does come with a standard air pump. And this is the upgrade. It's about 18% larger, about 4 inches in diameter. And it just changes the play up a little bit. It gives you a new dimension, something new to learn and change. But that is also a change for the Titan. Directions are pretty straightforward. You just take the new triangular pieces and slide them into the stronger upgraded base. Then it recommends kind of connecting the net in a star formation. So I've begun doing that. Here are the new upgraded legs. They will snap right into the triangular base. Couldn't be easier. And then there was a release button on the bottom when you're ready to take them apart. And then it's time to just connect the netting under all those little teeth connected all the way around. It doesn't take long at all to do that. Once you're set up and ready to go, you can change the gameplay by choosing the new Atlas ball, the 4-inch, or the standard Pro ball. They bounce just the same. It just changes with the width of the ball. And here's how they fold flat. You literally pull up, fold flat. It all folds into the base. This is the way I like to keep it. It's just easier to carry. You don't have to take the net down and do everything. But if you want to take it completely apart, you certainly can. It's nice and lightweight, no issues carrying it. And I love that those big old fat legs fold flat in there. It's just super easy. And going from stored position to ready play, you just literally spring them back in place. Super durable, super impressive with the strength of that. Just because they're different, here's a view of the bag. It's about 12 inches wide by about 20 inches tall. I was able to fit all the components of the Titan in there, so it does have the base and all of the legs. It does have a backpack style, or you can carry it by the handle. Everything seems durable enough. And then you can throw in your nets and balls on top of that, if I can grab those. Everything does fit fine for me. It is zippered on the top. So you have one unit ready to go. I would probably only do this if I was going on vacation to the beach or something, but otherwise I like to just keep it kind of all set up and ready to go with flat pat legs. But I like to know there is an option if you do need to compress it and take it, or you're tight on space. It does compress down nice and small in a nice durable bag. So I think if you want to upgrade, you want regulation size, strong competition, this Titan has all the upgrades and bells and whistles to really enhance the play. If you just want kids, casual play in the backyard, more balls, lower cost, easier entry point, I'd say the traditional is probably a better fit for you. The Titan does have less balls, but it does have the upgrade of the Atlas, and they're both portable. They both fold flat. They have carry bags. The Titan's is bigger and more sturdy. So is it worth the upgrade? Yes. If you want durability and a competitive spirit, I would say yes. If you just want something fun for the kids, I would say no. I hope comparing Spikeball, Pro, and Titan was helpful. If it was, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.